So here I am, it's 11:30, this is my second video for the night, and so it's about 4 hours after my first video, and I am about to take another measurement. So let's see how many more inches we've gotten in 4 hours. Let's see. We are at 13 inches, so it's pretty much, yeah, it's actually doubled in height because I had 6.5 inches at 7:30. So you can see it's still snowing really hard out, and it's pretty windy. It's really cold, and here's more wind coming in. Man, it is cold. And you might be able to see I am like up to the top of my boots in the snow right now. So I think that's it for now, and maybe I'll do another update a little later, or I'll do one in the morning. So peace out.